Hi everybody, today we are going to be making, what are we making?
Apple cake.
Apple cake. It's really yummy. It's got apples, cinnamon, raisins, and caramel on top, and it's so yummy, right? Are you going to help make it? Yeah. Did you just say no, it's not yummy? Oh, well, we got our chef hats on. We're ready to go, okay? So follow along, and it is honestly probably one of the best apple cake recipes we've ever made. What do you say? No, yes it is. It's actually really, really good. Trust me, it's really good. Yes it is.
Don't listen to my papa.
Yes it is. It's very good. Okay, so here we go.
Listen to my papa.
Here we have 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, and here I have a cup of raisins with half a cup of apple juice and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So I have that rehydrating because then your raisins get nice and soft again, okay? And then we're gonna take out all the juice and use that juice afterwards in our batter. Well, I have a tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs, and then the apples are over here. So what we do with the apples, it says for about 3 cups. I do a little bit more just because, you know, it tastes better with apples. So we have our little machine here that cores it all for us. And you also need a 9x13 baking dish that you have to grease. Hi, Milo.
Hi.
Okay, so we have all of our ingredients here for the batter. And then after we're gonna make our glaze for the top. All mixed evenly. That looks good. Good job. Okay, so next we gotta do.
Baking.
Okay, so now we're gonna do our wet ingredients.
You need our liquid.
The liquid, that's right. Okay, so we'll use that bowl. So what we'll do is we'll throw in our eggs. Okay, so throw the eggs in there.
For like breakfast.
Breakfast eggs, yeah. Okay, make sure it all goes in.
Ooh, one got smushed by another one.
It's okay, because we need to whisk it. And then we're gonna add our
oil.
the oil. So 1 cup of oil, 3 eggs, 1 oil.
Pick up this.
Next, what we're gonna do is you're gonna hold this.
Over here.
Hold it on top of the bowl. Hold it so it doesn't fall, okay? So you're gonna hold this, and we're gonna drain our raisins. So we're gonna take all that apple juice and vanilla. It's half a cup of apple juice and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So we're gonna use our raisins after. Actually, what I'm gonna do is put the raisins with the apples now. Okay, put that in the sink. Now we use our handy dandy
Mixer.
whisk. Okay, you're gonna whisk all that
Kind of
together.
like a mixer. Do we
That helps
have
mix
to?
it. Yeah, and now you're gonna pour your liquid into your dry
Okay,
ingredients.
excuse me.
Okay.
Pour.
Make sure it all goes in.
I'm messing up the swelling. Now it's a pooper.
There's still a little bit left. Okay, so pour it all in. Good.
Here, I'll spatula it out.
Okay, then you're gonna use
Spatula.
Now you use your spatula.
Yeah.
You're gonna carefully mix it all together. Okay, so just when your flour and your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients come together like this, okay, we're gonna add in the apples and the raisins. Okay, so dump that all in. Make sure we get it all. Oh, there's some left. Make sure we get it. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, Milo, is you're gonna fold the batter onto the apples and
Like
the
this.
Yep, and mix it all in. All right, so next what we're doing, so we have our mix all mixed up, okay? So it's evenly mixed. We have to fold from the bottom. You don't want anything dry left. What are you doing? Don't do that. Well, you can, but make sure you wash your hands, okay? So we're gonna take our batter. Make sure from your 9x13 dish, glass dish, you spray it, okay? So it's evenly spread. Then what we do is we take our batter and we just pour it in. Yes, look at this, how good this smells. I wish you can smell this because it smells amazing. It smells really, really good. Are you gonna wash your hands, Milo?
I already did that.
You wash them by licking this. We need to spread it, but a little trick of the trade that you can use and do, because this is pretty sticky, right? So spray your spatula with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray, okay? And just spread it evenly. So this way it doesn't stick, the batter doesn't stick to your spoon, and you can just Spread it. Put it in the oven. So preheat your oven to 350, and we're gonna bake it for 45 to 50 minutes. So it's been 45 minutes since it's been in the oven. So I'm gonna turn the timer off. And oh my gosh, you should see this, how good this looks. Look at this. It smells. Oh my god, it smells really, really good. Okay. So we have the cake, and while it's cooling, you have to smell this, guys. It honestly smells so good. But now while our apple cake is cooling, we have to make our caramel topping glaze, which honestly is like the icing on the cake. Honestly, it is the icing on the cake. It's really good. So in our pot, we have 1 cup of packed brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of butter, softened, okay, unsalted. So we're gonna turn that on. And I have already 1/3 cup of whipping cream. Okay, so if you want to come over here, you can see we're going to start mixing everything up. So we have our butter and our brown sugar, and we're going to add our whipping cream. It doesn't take long to make a caramel topping either. So we're just going to turn off the heat, and we're going to bring it on here. And this is the best part. You just have to start to pour it all over. Make sure you cover the entire top, because that's what's going to keep it nice and moist too. And make sure you get everything covered. It's really good. I'm having a hard time waiting for this thing to be ready, but it's well worth the wait.